Welcome to all. Now I am tell about to take action against the government regarding a property dispute in Thoppur, Tamil Nadu. The specifically applicable depends on the nature of the dispute. The primary legal recourse is through the civil courts and in some case the right jurisdiction of the High Court. Key applicable laws: number 1, Code of Civil Procedure 1908. The Code of Civil Procedure CPC governs the process for filing a lawsuits against the government. Section so of the CPC requires that a formal legal notice be served to the relevant government authority at least 2 months before filing a suit. This is mandatory and allows the government time to address the grievance. Number 2, Specific Relief Act 1963. If the government has wrongfully disposed my father from his property, I can file a civil suit for the recovery of possession. Under this act, you can also seek a declaration from the court that my father is the rightful owner of the property. Number 3, Tamil Nadu Land Encroachment Act 1905. This act empowers revenue authorities to deal with encroachment on government land. If the government is claiming that my father property is an encroachment on government land, they must follow the procedure laid out in this act. This include issuing a show cause notice under section 7 before proceeding with eviction under section 6. If the government fails to follow this procedure or act unjustly, its action can be challenged in court. Number 4, the right to the fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitations and resettlement act 2013, LARR act. If the government is acquiring my father land for a public purpose, this central law and its provisions would apply. The act mandates fair compensation and proper procedure for the acquisition process. Number 5, right petition under the constitutions of India. If a government action infringes upon a person's fundamental rights or right to property, which is a constitutional right under Article 300A, one can file a right petition in the Madras High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution. This is a powerful remedy for challenging arbitrary or illegal government orders related to property. Recommended course of action: number 1, gather documentation, collect all documents proving your proving my father ownerships and possessions of the 10 cents of property in Thoppur. This includes title deeds, land revenue receipt, patta documents and any survey document. Number 2, get a legal constitution, hire a lawyer specializing in property law in Tamil Nadu. They can properly access the claim and advise on the most suitable legal strategy. Number 3, survey the property, hire an official surveyor to confirm the precious boundaries and check if there is any legitimate dispute over the lands. Demarcation. Number 4, send a legal notice with the help of your lawyer. Serve a formal legal notice to the relevant court department as required by the CPC. The notice should detail your grievance and the action you intend to take if your resolution is not reached. Number 5, consider the lock adult for the faster and less expensive resolution, especially if there is a chance for a compromise. The case be referred to a lock adult or people's court. Specific issues involving the government land acquisition. If the government has acquired your land, you have the right to fair compensation. Under the right to the fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2013, this law provides for fair market value and proper resettlement act 2013, this law provides for fair market value and proper resettlement packages. In Tamil Nadu, the Commissionerate of Land Administration CLA oversees the acquisition process. Illegal seizure, encroachment. If my father property has been illegally occupied, you can file a civil suit for possession and also file a criminal complaint for trespass. The Tamil Nadu police have an online portal for filling land grabbing complaints. Faculty land records discrepancies in government land records can lead to dispute. You can use the right to information RTI Act to access relevant documents and file a suit for correction of records. Disclaimer: this information is for general guidance only, is not a substitute for professional legal advice. For any legal matter, consulting with a qualified lawyer in your jurisdiction is essential. Thank you.